Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars gems. To clarify, Brawl Stars does not actually have its own gift cards. Instead, you will use either a Google Play Store card or an Apple App Store card. These universal gift cards add credit directly to your App Store account, allowing you to then purchase gems or other in-game items directly within the Brawl Stars application itself. It is a straightforward process once you understand the connection. To earn these valuable gift cards without direct payment, consider legitimate online opportunities. Google Opinion Rewards offers short surveys, paying you with Google Play credit for your valuable time. Microsoft Rewards allows you to earn points for searching and shopping, which can then be redeemed for various gift cards. Always be cautious, only using reputable platforms. Never share personal information on suspicious websites. After obtaining your gift card, the next step is redemption. Open your device's App Store, locate the Redeem section, and enter the card's unique code precisely. The full value of your gift card will instantly be added to your account balance, ready for immediate use. Now, simply open Brawl Stars, go to the in-game shop, choose the gem pack you want, and your App Store credit will be used for the purchase. It is crucial to remain vigilant against fraudulent schemes that promise instant free gems or non-existent Brawl Stars gift cards. Always source your gift cards from official retailers or through the legitimate reward programs we discussed. Take a moment to review your device's App Store settings, especially concerning parental controls or spending limits, to ensure secure transactions. Always prioritize your account security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.